Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guy. So today I'm going to show you how to remove or to delete one of your websites on Webflow. Well, actually, this one's very easy. So let me show you how it's done. So this is my Dapper site. This is my website right here. And as you can see here, there is no option to delete, just to duplicate, archive, move, share, editor settings. And if we go here, there are also no option here to remove a website. However, the remove actually or the delete option is actually the archive button. So if we click on this, as you can see here, this is your website. It will be unpublished, and everyone working in the workspace will lose access to the site, and the domain will remain reserved. Now, if you want to delete it, just type in this code right here and then click on archive site. If you click on archive site, go to general, you can find it here on your archive workspace. And that's it. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do hit, of course, the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos just like this one, only here on Tech Help Guy.